We are back with another new launch review, and this time it's from the Formula RX. This one is Beyond Hydration. Yes, the name is Beyond Hydration. और नाम से पता चल रहा है कि it basically for hydration. And this time they have surprised me with this formulation because they have used here 30% of glycerin, which is the real goat of hydration. I would say OG of humectant. But just because of its texture that it's very sticky and uncomfortable to use, they have formulated this product with 30% of glycerin in an incredible gel form, which doesn't feel sticky, doesn't feel chippy and uncomfortable on the face. I'm going to show you the live texture of this product and live application. If you're interested, continue watching. This formulation is well formulated along with glycerin. You will find here niacinamide on the top of the ingredient list. You will get squalane, which is a great hydrator, and another great humectant, which is sodium polyglutamate. We also have propanediol in this one. We got ceramide NP in this one, centella, which is very soothing, bisabolol, again very soothing and calming on the skin, vitamin E, allantoin, like all the right stuff in one formulation. Fragrance free, color free, such an amazing formulation. Texture, like I said, it's not at all a thick and uncomfortable texture. You will see it's a very runny gel-like texture which feels very light, get sink instantly into your skin and give you a very well hydrated face. Easily layerable with your other active ingredients and definitely helps to strengthen up your skin barrier. Though it's a serum, but you can use it as its own as a moisturizer in the morning routine if you're using a hydrating sunscreen on the top of this. I have used it alongside with their ceramide silk sunscreen and this has worked really well. For the night, I have followed with a moisturizer on the top of this and this has worked amazingly. I will recommend this one for all skin types, even if you are oily, acne prone and dry skin, because this will help to hydrate the skin and it will protect your skin barrier. If you have beak barrier ka issue, you can add this one alongside with your moisturizer. This will definitely help in healing your skin barrier. Beautiful serum, not at all a sponsored video. Formula RX ने कोई पे नहीं किया है मुझे, but yes, I have an affiliate code with them, which means कि जब आप उसको use करोगे आपको कुछ डिस्काउंट मिलेगा और उसका कुछ ही कमीशन मुझे मिलेगा. But it's not for the commission. I absolutely love it. You guys know ceramide silk sunscreen is went viral and everybody has loved it. जिसको मैंने recommend किया है, जिसने लिया है, they have loved it. Even I have purchased it again. If you have seen my this reel जहाँ पे मैंने ये unboxing दिखाई है इस प्रोडक्ट की, you know मैंने 3 प्रोडक्ट पिक करे थे. एक ये था, इनकी ceramide sunscreen थी और एक था lactic acid facial, जो इनका air brush facial है वो. All of their products are really good except their underarm roll-on, but I hope they work on that as well. But such an amazing formulation. You can avail 10% off with my code, which is Bhavna10, only on the Formula RX website. Not at all sponsored, just an affiliate code. I hope this was helpful. If it is, don't forget to hit like, share, subscribe and press the bell button so you never miss any of our amazing content. I'm gonna see you in my next. Until then, take care.